Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Brownjack. And today we're going to do a video of this angel eye carbon monoxide alarm. And he also can break it if you're in the home, use it at home holiday. So let's get started. So I got this today straight away. I thought I saw something like that. So yeah. There's a wee plastic sticker, so that I removed. Now let's just open this box up. I haven't opened it yet, so ooh, there we go. So here's the carbon dioxide detector itself. Wait. So yeah, so great. This out. So here's the user manual, and here's it. I had stuck on my tape. So yeah, that's the mounting screws. Here's the detector itself. So here's a wee tab to pull to activate its battery. So that's the batteries. Wait, let's put it back on. There you go. So it came with batteries. So yeah. Here. I think you can stand it up and something. Like I used this wee box here as a wee sample. Because it's portable, you can sit on anything. So yeah. So just wait a second there. So let's just move this side. So here's the user manual. So just focus. So features. Why? There you go. Features partially against laser battery placement. Other features allowing tests and standing products and such and yeah. And there's a lot of things about this. And that's how you will clean it out. So let's activate this battery. Okay, that's terrible. There we go, it's activated. Okay. There we go. So let's test it. Ooh, look. That's quite nice. It sounds like a mechanical one. Look. That's actually pretty loud. Look. So yeah, that's the alarm. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye!